I mean that Draco gon' fucking split your throat. And nigga, I get you broke. Everybody know the game though. You always help a brother out. When the brother on the knees, when the brother saying please, if he your homeboy, you gon' squeeze. Everybody know the game. Man, pussy niggas shame. Pussy niggas round here, they'll laugh in your face and wanna rob you, man. But at the same time, that's why I don't sell dough no more. Cause nigga, I work and I get
my got a quarter on the floor.
like that dude.
They got a hole in it.
I got a quarter on the floor, got a quarter on the floor. Nigga smoke an ounce. I got a quarter on the floor, quarter on the floor. Nigga smoke an ounce, yeah. Everybody know this game, dude. Nigga shipping cane, dude. Straight from overseas. Talking about where them keys. I hit up with Georgia. I mean that Douglas GA.
Oh shit.
That wasn't them real niggas at, boy. Them niggas ain't playing. Boy, I done seen more niggas over there than these niggas over here.
Yeah.
Them niggas over there got cake in their motherfucking ear. Huh? These niggas over here got sandpaper off in their ear. But when you go to Douglas GA, they gonna show you nigga what's fucking real.
GA, man,
if you ain't buy some dices, you don't need to go up there. If you ain't about making money, you don't need to go up there.
GA, I fuck with the GA heavy. So I thought with GA.
They raised that shit, man.